How to make screen fit display on Fire TV. Now, if you want to make a screen which is your Fire TV stick screens fit the display of your TV because some parts are cropping or maybe it is too zoomed out and it is not perfect based on your TV. To fix this, just go to the gear icon on the right hand side, which is the settings icon, and from here go to the option display and sounds and select it, and from here go to the option called display. First of all, under video resolution, you want to choose the maximum resolution that your TV supports, because in my case it's 1080p, so select 1080p, yours could be 4K or whichever else. After that, you want to scroll down to this option called Calibrate display and select this option. Now when you're here at the top four corners, you can see a little arrow that is pointing. So you want to make sure that this arrows points exactly at the bezels of your TV. So sometimes it could have been they are too inward, and you can see that means that your Fire Stick will only display within this area. So you want to make sure to actually zoom out. So you want to press this buttons on your remote in order to fix this. So just use your navigate using your remote, which is this buttons over here, and when you've done that, now you'll be able to see that the display is fitting my screen. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.